Hi, I'm Ali, and in this video I want to unbox the Razer Basilisk HyperSpeed gaming mouse. As the name suggests, this mouse features HyperSpeed technology which is found in mice like the Basilisk Ultimate or Viper Ultimate, and of course those mice are priced over $100. Please note that this technology only works when you connect the mouse to your system using the dongle that comes with it, and it does not work in Bluetooth mode. Inside the box, in addition to the mouse, there is a letter from the Razer CEO, 2 Razer stickers, a user manual, and an Energizer AA battery. This mouse is exactly like its big brother, the Basilisk Ultimate, but in this model, there are no optical switches, lighting, or 11 programmable buttons. As I mentioned, inside the box there is an AA battery, and according to Razer, with this battery you can use the mouse for up to 450 hours in Bluetooth mode and 285 hours. In HyperSpeed mode,